Hi everyone. Today we are going to take one more question from ACT previous year papers. It's given the inequality 7x squared y is less than 0. What does it mean? It means it would be a negative value, right? If you find out 7x squared y in total, you'll get some negative value, -1, -2, -3, and up to negative infinity, anything. Which in turn means you'll get a negative sign before your answer, right? You'll get a negative sign before your answer, which makes it a negative value. Now, think of that. So 7 times x squared times y will give you a negative number, right? There will be a negative sign. Now go to the x squared because 7 is fixed, right? 7 is not going to change. And they're asking it's true for two fixed real numbers, x and y. Which of the following inequalities must be true? Now, whatever the value of x is, x may be a positive real number. Let's say 2. So you'll get 2 squared, 4. Or if you can plug in 3, 3 squared is 9. Or you can plug in 4, 4 squared is 16. Always you're getting a positive number, right? Even if you plug in x as -2, and -2 whole square is 4, right? You can plug in x equals -4. -4 whole square is 16, right? So due to this square, whatever the value of x is, it will always be giving you a positive number or positive sign, right? So x squared is always positive. 7 is a constant, so that doesn't matter. But ultimately, you need to get a negative sign, right? A negative number, so a negative sign is mandatory. This is constant times. So positive multiplied by which sign gives you a negative sign? We know plus minus gives you minus, right? Plus minus gives you minus. So for obvious, y should be a negative value, right? It should be a negative value to give you the ultimate answer as a negative number, right? Because we put it positive. So positive makes positive. That doesn't make any sense. So y must be a negative sign because positive, negative multiplies to negative. So y value will be a negative number. Y should be a negative number. What does it mean? The value of y should be less than 0, right? Because it's a negative sign, which means it's a negative number. And negative number means less than 0. So y should be less than 0 to make the answer negative. So your option will be J. That's it.